What's up, guys? It's a lovely Saturday morning and we are headed to the gym. Fantastic. I gotta go train some clients and then we're gonna get a workout in. So, beautiful day here in New Jersey. I'm actually in Pennsylvania right now, but we'll be headed to Jersey. Alright, we're outside Next Fit Clubs in Hillsborough, New Jersey. It stopped raining, that's good news. But so yesterday I lifted legs. So today is going to be like a shoulder chest try day. I do a 3-day split. I'm just doing that for the next, I got 6 more weeks left in an 8-week program. So let's hit it today. Pretty cool gym. I'll show you what it looks like when we get inside. So pretty cool gym. It used to be a powerhouse. So we have a lot of old school bodybuilding equipment here. But we also have this functional training area that we installed. So it's pretty cool because you kind of have a mix of the old school bodybuilding and CrossFit all thrown into one gym. One thing I want to point out when I'm bench pressing, I always keep my shoulders rolled back and pinned against the bench. When I'm pressing up, I don't want my shoulders rolling forward. That's going to take the tension off of the chest. What we're trying to do here is keep the tension on the chest the whole time because that's the muscle we're trying to work, correct? You'll also notice that I bench with an arch. It's not very big because I'm not very flexible, but with the arch, I feel like I can move more weight. In theory, if I'm moving more mass, I'm going to create more muscle breakdown, which is going to lead to more muscle growth. Also, anatomically, it keeps you in a better position to prevent injuries. So sometimes I have my workouts with a little pose down routine just because it makes me feel good, to be honest. Show off the pump a little bit, show off the progress that I'm getting, keeps me motivated, honestly. Some people might look at me and see what I'm doing and be like, God, that guy's an idiot. But honestly, fuck what they say because I don't care what they think. If it keeps me happy, it keeps me motivated, it keeps me going back to the gym, then I'm going to continue to do it. Yo, if you guys like this workout vlog, then please by all means share this. Comment below, subscribe to my channel. Just don't hit the dislike button. We don't like that. And check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Until then, keep grinding and stay positive.